trip to Mars.
We explore to gain knowledge, to push the boundaries of possibility, and to reveal the unknown.
We seek to discover, to find answers here on Earth and in space.
Was Mars once an Earth-like planet, water, and an atmosphere? What happened? Can the same thing happen here on Earth? What about asteroids? Is there something we can do to prevent a big one from colliding with Earth?
We can go to Mars in our lifetime and answer some of humanity's fundamental questions about life beyond Earth. Robots are doing great work exploring our solar system, but eventually, we want to be able to put a person on the ground.
Now, sending people to deep space destinations requires a lot of stuff. Food and water, shelter, fuel, spare parts, tools and supplies. It's like a spacefaring RV. The farther you go and the longer the trip, the more you need, and that means moving a lot of mass.
So when you talk about getting past the pull of Earth's gravity, you need a bigger, more powerful rocket.
Space Launch System is an all-new heavy-lift rocket that uses a combination of proven hardware and technology to make it more affordable. We can take the best from all we've learned from building rockets and combine that with cutting-edge tooling and manufacturing technology to build the most powerful rocket in history. You can fly to really high orbits around the moon with this rocket without requiring any other assistance. But when we add an upper stage, we'll have an even bigger capacity.
The larger evolved version of SLS can carry a habitat, larger solar arrays, additional propulsion, you name it. It's really a versatile rocket.
All right, folks, as we pull out here, we're going to be right in the middle of the crawlway. Look out the right side of the bus. Imagine a 363-foot tall Saturn V rocket on top of that crawler and platform. As it comes down the crawlway, it straddles the green grass in the center. It's wider than an 8-lane highway. The crawler weighs 6 million pounds, the platform 9 million, the rocket assembly 3 million. All that weight sits on those 8 sets of tracks. Each set has 57 cleats, and each cleat weighs 1 ton. When all that weight goes over the rock will actually explode, and it creates a layer of dust. They send fire trucks out in front of the crawler to wet down the rock to keep the dust down. The front left corner, you can see a driver's compartment. There's one on the back right corner. They change drivers every 45 minutes. Because of the slow speed and the vibration, the drivers actually fall asleep. Took about 5 to 8 hours to get the shuttle out to the pad, up to 24 hours for that big Saturn V. Legend has it, the first time we took the Saturn V out, we ran out of fuel. Well, you can understand that though, because that crawler gets a whopping 32 feet per gallon of fuel.